Today I'm going to show you how to make a poppy wreath. To make the wreath, you'll need a foam wreath ring. You want a solid foam ring and not a wire ring. The one I'll be using is a 10-inch ring. Red cardstock for the poppy petals, black cardstock for the stamens of the poppies, black pom-poms for the center of the poppies, green crepe streamer to cover the green foam ring, and I will also be making leaves using this as well. One wire and ribbon for hanging the wreath, PDF templates of the poppy petals and leaves. I have links to this in the description. Hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, pencil, and tape. The templates for the petals and leaves are in the description below. Let's start off with the petals. Print out the template. I reduced the scaling to get my desired size. If your image is PDF, it is very easy to do in the print dialog window box under the custom scale. I highlight it in the picture so you don't miss it. I scaled it so that it gave me a diameter of 9 centimeter, which is about 45 to 50% for me. Cut out the petal shape. This will be our base cookie cutter. To be more efficient, I folded the cardstock in 3 and then with a pencil traced the outline of it. I then cut the petals. Don't forget to erase your pencil lines. Keep repeating until you have enough to cover the entire wreath. After I completed my wreath, I counted 38 poppies, so that's a rough number of poppies you'll need. For the stamens, there will be 2 layers. This will be the fringe part of the poppy. The diameters are 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. I use a round sauce takeout container to help me create an outline. Again, to be efficient, fold the cardstock, draw the outline in a row, and then cut them. Now take the stack and then cut the fringe. Don't cut all the way. You'll fold them up like a cup. For the petals, you give a gentle, soft fold up like gathering into a cup shape. Your final poppy will look like this with the pom-poms. Keep going by prepping more stamens and petals. Lay out your petals. Next, assemble the poppies by gluing the inner and outer stamens to the poppy. Do not glue the pom-poms yet because you'll need to be able to press the poppies onto the wreath. The pom-poms will only get in the way at this point. Wrap the green crepe streamer around the ring to cover it. Use tape to secure the streamer in place where needed. Now that the ring is covered, it is time to think about how you want to place the poppies on the ring. You'll need to put poppies on the inner and outer part of the ring first so that it will look good from the 3 angles. Think about how you want to place the poppies on the front. I made the mistake of initially gluing them uniformly in a row. You will see once I cover half the ring, it dawned on me. Then halfway, after the realization, I staggered them to create more interest. So you want them a little to the left, then a little to the right, rather than dead on in the center in the front. Once you completely cover the wreath with the poppies, you can then add the pom-poms in the middle. Sorry, there's no video on this because I didn't realize I wasn't recording at the time. For the leaves, you can use your discretion on what shapes and size and how many you would like. My streamer had a width of 4.5 centimeter, so I scaled the template down to fit the width. Plan where you would like to put your leaves and then glue them down. Once you finish, you can now add the wire and ribbon so that your wreath can hang. Loop the wire loosely around the ring, hiding it behind the poppies. Twist tightly. Then loop a ribbon onto the wire. Traditionally, you would hang a poppy wreath on a floral easel stand. This easel stand is less than $10 at Michael's. Your wreath is now done. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It would help the channel out. Thank you for your support.